from grade 2nd B. Respected principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends, a very happy 80th Independence Day to all. I am Bharata Mata, the mother of this great nation India. The tall Himalayas are my crown, and the Indian Ocean washes my feet with love. We got freedom through the great sacrifices of leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Netaji, Bhagat Singh and Vivo Chidambara Pillai, etc. We must always honor their sacrifices. India is our sweet home. We all live together like a happy family. Let us study well, help others and make our country proud. My white saree shows peace and my red border shows the sacrifices of our freedom fighters. My flag has 3 colors: saffron for courage, white for peace and green for growth. In the center it has the Ashoka Chakra with 24 spokes. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Thank you.
தாயின் மணிக்கொடி சொல்லுது ஜெய் ஹிந்த். தாயகம் காத்திட தன்னலம் போக்கிட சொல்லுக ஜெய் ஹிந்த்.